Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a brand new product by a company called Tekton. And if you guys haven't watched my channel, you'll quickly find out that I really enjoy the Tekton tool lineup and I love doing reviews on them and using them. So we're going to get into a new product from them. If you guys watch my channel, you guys already know that I have their new ratchet designs. They had an old 72 tooth design that was generic and just like a lot of other manufacturers out there, but like Tekton, always stepping up their game. The last few years they've came a long ways, producing a lot of good quality tools for a really good price. That's the great thing about Tekton. They're constantly listening to their customers and getting feedback, improving, redesigning, and re-engineering their tools and providing a good quality tool for a really good price. So I'm going to get into a little bit about Tekton, and then we're going to go into a quick review on this, so stay tuned till the end to find out more. Starting off, they have a great student program. If you're in any type of schooling for a field that requires tools, go ahead and sign up for the student program. Super easy application and you get great deals through them. Next up is their rewards program. You go to their website, this is for anybody, for free, sign up, make an account, and you get 10% back in rewards. So say you spend $100 on tools through Tekton, they automatically put a $10 credit or a 10% credit of whatever your total purchase was onto your account. So say I spend $100, next time I go to buy through Tekton, I get $10 off of my purchase. So that's fantastic. And the other great thing is their warranty process. It's no hassle, always guaranteed. So you literally, let's say I broke the anvil off of this and I need it replaced. I go to their website, click on the warranty portion, and I submit or attach a picture and I write, hey, the anvil broke. If I submit that before 2 p.m., then they'll get that tool sent out that day. If not, if it's on the weekend or after 2 p.m., it'll be the next working day. So really good, really easy warranty process. So we're gonna get into this and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't checked out any other Tekton tools, go ahead, check the description. There's a link for the Tekton website as well as a portion that says tools I suggest or tools. Click on that and you'll see a whole list of tools that I suggest. So I really hope you guys enjoy that. That's there for you. So let's get into this. Whew. So look at that chrome. All right, so if you guys didn't know, they used to have a 72 tooth design that was generic and looked like a lot of other ratchets out there that you see everywhere. But like almost all of their other tools, they're constantly re-engineering, redesigning, and producing tools that are much better and well designed. So I have their new design. These are all 90 tooth, and these have been out roughly a year and a half or so. And I absolutely love them. Some of my favorite go-to ratchets. I have a 1/4 inch standard, 1/4 inch flex, 3/8 flex, and 3/8 long. This ratchet comes in at 18.5 inches long. I believe they stated as an 18-inch wrench or ratchet on their website, because when Tekton provides information, they're providing you the actual torque that you're going to be able to apply. So this might be overall 18.5, but there's only 18 inches of force that you're going to be able to apply, because they go from the center of the anvil to the end of the handle, and that is actual using force. Just keep that in mind. Their ratchets are a little bit longer than what they state on their website, but the other great thing about Tekton is they provide a lot of information, a lot of good information on their website. So go ahead and check that out down in the description. So I've had these for a while now and I absolutely love them. Let me go over the design changes. For one, the handle is a new design. The chrome is always great on Tekton products. I mean, they do a fantastic job with their chrome. So the handle design, I love this little beveled edge. It's very comfortable. This little grip right here, it's very comfortable in the hand. It's not bulky, but it's not so thin to where it's going to hurt your hand when using it and applying some force. It's very comfortable. The reverse lever is the right direction. So to the right is loosening and to the left is tightening. And the head design is ridiculously small compared to what it used to be. They've slimmed down the depth, the width, and the length of it, and they've made it all very compact and slim while also providing a lot of strength. So that is really nice. And now from a 72 tooth to a 90 tooth design, so you get a 4-degree arc swing now, which is fantastic. So I have the 3/8 here. This is their 3/8 semi-locking flex head. It has 9 positions, and the detent position there. You can see that spring under here, right here, and that is going to spring that detent back into its position and hold it in place. Now this one does move pretty freely, so it's not super hard to move. But with the new long 3/8 flex head, and they also have this in 1/2" drive as well, this actual length is going to be almost 13 inches, about 12 7/8 inches. They're going to state it as a 12-inch ratchet. They also have a 14-inch 1/2" drive as well, semi-locking flex head. This is the 3/8 like I stated, but with this design you don't see the spring in the bottom there, you just see the detent. And whatever change they made, it is actually quite a bit stiffer, so it holds its position a little bit better. I haven't had an issue with this design whatsoever, but if you do like it a little bit stiffer as far as holding its place, this design does seem to be a little bit firmer. Other than that, they're all 90 tooth design, really nice and smooth. Once again, the chrome job is really nice. All of these are non-quick release, and that's what I prefer, but I haven't done a review on their quick release, so I figured I would show it and get the quick release for this one, just so you guys can kind of see the design of their quick release. And I really like how flush it is. It's almost flush, so it's still very easy to press, but you're less likely to bump this on something and release your socket. Once again, they have a recessed switch, so you're not bumping that on anything. So overall, really nice design, comfortable, strong, and nice and slim. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the backing plate off just so you guys can see the internals. I won't take it apart or anything like that, but I'll at least take the backing plate off so you guys can see. Now, with Tekton 90 tooth ratchets, you do not want to be using a grease or an assembly lube, anything that is super tacky or anything like that. For one, it draws a lot of dirt, but with this 90 tooth design, the tolerances are very tight, so if you use something tacky like that, it will tend to make the pawl and the gear stick together, causing binding. So this comes lightly lubricated with a machine oil, so use an oil like 3-in-1 oil or a machine oil, or you know, like a WD-40 type consistency, to where it's not going to be tacky, but it's going to keep everything lubricated and working smoothly. So in here you can see they have a metal ring shim around the anvil here to keep it sealed nicely. And then here you see the pawl and the gear, and a lot of tooth engagement here. So you get a lot of good strength, and it operates really smoothly. So all around, a fantastic ratchet. I love these designs. I love what they've done. I love that they're constantly improving their tools and providing great service to their customers. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts on these, if you've used any of their 90 tooth ratchets. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. But if you're staying past this point, you are going to be a lucky viewer and get the chance to win a couple products in a giveaway for being a great supporter of the Tony the Technician YouTube channel. I cannot believe that I am actually hitting 20,000 subscribers soon. I am super stoked about that, and that is all thanks to you guys. So I like to give back to you guys, because you guys are what make this channel what it is. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's little quick review and quick look at the new 90 tooth ratchet. But as far as doing my 20,000 giveaway, it's going to be very simple. If you guys have an Instagram, go ahead and check out the description. You guys will see my Instagram and Facebook page, websites, link down in the description. Simply go follow those, and that would be greatly appreciated. I am always posting thumbnails of future videos coming up and sharing information and stuff like that, and I would really like more interaction with my viewers on my Facebook page, just to, you know, kind of see what you guys are using. Post pictures, post whatever you want. I really like interacting with you guys. So other than that, number one thing, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, hit that thumbs up, and leave a comment down below of, hey, I love Tekton tools or something along that line. And you guys were lucky enough to stay to this point, so I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I will be announcing the winner after that once I hit that 20,000 subscriber mark. Now, what's going to be included in the giveaway? That is going to be either this or the 1/2-inch drive ratchet. And like I stated earlier, I probably posted up a little note in the video. This is going to run $35. The 1/2-inch drive is $40. You can get it with quick release or non-quick release. And then you're also going to get the fancy hoodie that I was wearing at the beginning of the video. So this is going to be shipped direct from Tekton. So you guys, I will put you guys in contact with them so you guys can either select your 3/8 or 1/2-inch drive ratchet, whether you want quick release or non-quick release, and then you give them your hoodie size, and that'll be it for the winner. But I will announce the winner in the future video, so stay tuned for that, and that'll be once I hit 20,000 subscribers. So I really appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, once again, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.